Good evening, good morning, everyone. How was your day, everywhere? I hope you having a good day. So today, it is the final day of my uncle. He have been come for last 2 days, and now it is time for he goes. But I'm really little upset because my dad doesn't come. Sorry, not dad. Basically, he's not come for a long period. But he was saying when it was winter vacation, he will come for sure because it has some work for to do. So yeah, he will go on 2 or 3 p.m. and I'm really upset. So first of all, I will introduce my uncle. So uncle, please introduce yourself.
My name is Yogendra Singh, live in Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh.
And one more thing, my uncle English is very great, better than my dad. So yeah, it is. That's all. And one more thing, this is the saddest day, and I've not goes to school due to today at Monday in every school Monday happens nothing because it is the first day of the school. So yeah, and one more thing, my uncle is going. So it is like last night we having lots of fun. When he was come, like I let me tell the story. When I was sleeping, my uncle was come. That time I was very happy, and after second day, first day was super boring. Second day, like tomorrow, yesterday, I have went to in Patna, whatever it is called, where we go to visit.
Marine Drive.
Yeah, Marine Drive. We have been goes to visit Marine Drive. And Marine Drive, I just my dad, my uncle, and two more children. So you can say boys also. They have we travel in the boat. Also, I ride on the horse. Yeah, I was super scared, but after a little bit, I got and. I was really wonder how they literally run the horse because that time I was not running in the horse. The horse was going very slowly, and the boys who have owned that very little smaller than me boys have owned that horses, and they ride like a pro champion. And one more thing, he ride by own self. My uncle also ride on a horse, and he take pictures, and we have a lot of fun whenever we go to home. Yeah, 2 days we have skipped the tuition. I don't know why. Maybe it was a lucky day, or you can say whatever it is. It was lucky day. I have 2 tuition free cancelled, and yeah, it is now those happy as goes. And now the uncle will be go at 2 p.m. and then we will have 3 members again. I'm happy that uncle has come and he will come again at December when it was a winter vacation with whole his family. But currently he's going, so yeah, it is little bit sad. And yeah, please talk to my friends.
Hello, my name is Yogendra Singh from Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
Welcome. Next time coming Muradabad with Ayush.
Yeah. Actually, my uncle was saying, next time I will come to my uncle Muradanagar. He live in Uttar Pradesh, Muradanagar, and I will come to my uncle house. You can say. And yeah, I have never visited to uncle house. My dad have visited a lot. He is my dad friends he's the friends of my dad, and his name, as you can see, my uncle has been spelled his name. So basically, we having conversation. Do you like to have a conversation? No. Okay. Yeah, he don't want to have a conversation because we need some moods to do something. So currently, I'm going to give him some options to choose. So basically, if you like to have, you will have option to learn to English in just free. Then which one you will like to? First, Spanish. Second, English, and third, British English.
Hindi.
No, there is no Hindi. One is Spanish, one is American English, one is British Hindi. English. Sorry.
इंडियन इंग्लिश है ना,
कौन सी इंग्लिश पसंद है तुम्हें? हिंदी में बता।
अमेरिकन।
American. So basically he choose American because in American they having short words, fluency, and British have they pronounce how our children pronounce amphibious. They pronounce amphibious because they pronounce how the word is written. And American pronounce word by silently, like they pronounce T in silent, like sun. They say sun, not ton. So yeah, this is all. And one more, if you like to talk with my uncle, then I will share you my video call of my uncle. And nowadays,
हिंदी में बात कर दो अंकल से।
so basically my dad is saying हिंदी में बात कर लो. So अब दूसरा, मैं कुछ अंकल के बारे में पूछूंगा जो आपको समझ आए अंकल किस प्रकार के. तो आपका पसंदीदा भोजन क्या है?
दाल मखनी रोटी।
You got it? दाल मखनी रोटी. It is like such a great choice. And what is आप कभी भी फास्ट फूड खाते हैं? हाँ ठीक है, कभी कभी. हाँ. और एंड आल्सो इन्हें आलू बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. लिटरली आलू बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, और तेल की चीज़, और वही चीज़ मेरे पापा को बहुत अच्छी लगती है. So yeah, my uncle is having like diet, or you can say he's a little bit health focus on his health care and his family care, but my dad doesn't. That's why you can see even, let me show you how fit is he. And if I saw my dad, he's like have fatty belly. Dang it. So he's having belly of it, but uncle is little fit. And yeah, he's the only one that bring my dad hair. That hair oil, जो hair बाल उगाने वाला hair oil होता है, वो मेरे अंकल ही ने पापा को दिलवाया था. So it was such a great that he does. And also he have also used, and my father have used, and he having little growth. And yeah, I know that I have not giving so much day of like making video currently, because due to I'm not free like all of time. और अब ये बताओ अंकल, आपको क्या करना अभी पसंद है? अभी क्या करें? जैसे मैं तो आपके बारे में बता दिया, अब क्या करें?
अभी ट्रेन के जाने से पहले का टाइम है, कुछ समय घूम लेते हैं.
हाँ चलो
ठीक है.
हाँ यार,
उसके बाद मेरी ट्रेन का टाइम हो जाएगा, मैं निकल जाऊंगा.
हाँ बात सही कह रहे हैं, अंकल को घूम के ले जाना. So yeah, basically I don't know why he keeps saying that he will go. I'm literally so upset whenever he say, but yeah, I hope he will come again and we having better treat. And yeah, he is just like my dad, he's also kind. And one more thing, I have seen a lots of person whenever I speak English, one thing is there, like I never speak English directly, like hello, how are you, how it's going. I will make it word little hard, like a four way, like let me your name before I continue. I will say like this, instead of saying give me your name, instead of saying this, I will say that thing. I had talked to his son. He was your son? Yeah, he was his son. So I was talking to him. तो मैं थोड़ा उससे बोला, तो तब उसमें थोड़ा अटक गया. तो this is the reason I was telling you, never focus on word, only focus on word that you understand. Like you are understanding, like I'm saying, what's your age before I continue. You are only understanding what is your age. Then it give you, तो अपना age ही बताओ ना, continue नहीं समझ आया मत बताओ, और आंसर भी वही होगा, क्योंकि continue तो मैंने उसको आगे की बात बताने के बोला कि अपना एज बताओ, इससे पहले मैं आगे का शुरू करूँ. तो आगे का शुरू करने का क्या रिप्लाई दोगे? बस एज बता दो अपना, सिंपल. इसलिए जो आपको समझ आया, ऐसे कोई उठपटा सा कोई क्वेश्चन बोल दे तो आपको पहले तो उसका नॉर्मल आंसर देना है बस, और आगे का नहीं समझ आया मत समझो, क्योंकि कोई फ़ायदा है नहीं. मैं भी पहले ऐसे करता था. अगर मुझसे वही सेम सवाल मुझसे कोई पूछता, मैं ऐसे ही करता, क्योंकि पहले मैंने ये चीज़ मैंने सीखी नहीं, मेरे साथ हुई है, इसलिए मैंने खुद से की थी, तभी मैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन बोल पा रहा हूँ. सो अंकल यू शुड आपको भी थोड़ा बात करना चाहिए।
हिंदी नहीं ना।
क्या बात करें, टॉपिक भी तो नहीं है इतना, मैं तो सोचा था टॉपिक की बात करें।
पॉजिटिव।
सो या सो गुड बाय एवरीवन, हैव